Did you know that over 80% of life insurance buyers choose term life insurance over whole life? If whole life insurance is so great, why do most people avoid it? Is it a scam or is there more to the story? Let's break it down. Whole life insurance is often pitched as a safe, guaranteed investment that provides lifelong coverage and a cash value component. But is it really a smart financial move or just an overpriced sales gimmick? Whole life insurance has been heavily criticized, and for good reason. Here's why. High premiums can be up to 10 times more expensive than term life insurance. The cash value grows slowly and often takes decades to deliver meaningful returns. Additionally, many policies barely keep up with inflation, and the industry is heavily sales driven, with agents earning significant commissions, casting doubt on whether it's genuinely in your best interest. Some even call it a scam, but is that fair? Let's break it down. Pros of whole life insurance include a guaranteed death benefit as long as you pay premiums, cash value growth, even though slow, it does accumulate, tax advantages as it grows tax deferred, and loans are tax free. Plus, it acts as an effective estate planning tool for the wealthy to avoid taxes. Cons include its high cost, with similar coverage term policies being far cheaper, and poor investment returns averaging 3 to 5%, which often underperform the market. There are arguably better alternatives, like investing in index funds combined with term life insurance, which potentially builds more wealth. For instance, $200 per month in whole life might grow to $300K in 30 years, whereas $20 a month for term life combined with a $180 investment could exceed $1 million over the same period. So, is whole life insurance a scam? No, but for most people, it doesn't offer a good deal. For those needing affordable coverage, term life insurance with investments is much smarter. However, if you're wealthy and require tax strategies, whole life insurance could be beneficial. Who should avoid it? Young people building wealth, those looking for high returns, and individuals without a high net worth. Conversely, those who might benefit include high income earners who've leveraged all other tax advantaged options, business owners requiring liquidity, and people who struggle with saving without a forced savings mechanism. Whole life insurance isn't a scam, but it's overhyped and not the best option for most people. If you want financial security, term life with investing typically comes out on top. What do you think? Have you ever been pitched whole life insurance? Drop a comment below.